Alright, today we're going to be installing the ABS GT350 spoiler. This is all the hardware that came with it. We've already removed the stock spoiler. So the new spoiler is already ready to be installed. Alright, now we're going to be putting the spoiler on to see if everything aligns properly. Looks like everything checks out. And then the second piece that they give you is just going to sit right here. And both of these pieces have 3M tape on them. And now we're going to be taking off the 3M tape. Now we're going to set the spoiler into place. Alright, and then you're going to lift your trunk up, but make sure that you have it firmly pressed up against your trunk before you lift it up, and it should stay. Alright, now you're going to use the supplied hardware to screw onto the bolt that's there. I've already gotten one started. So when you're getting started with these 10mm bolts, you're going to want to have the trunk down to get it started. That way it doesn't fall in through the trunk. Alright, now we have the spoiler all bolted down. And now we're going to be putting on the bottom piece. It has the 3M tape underneath of it. So we're just going to set it up there and get it lined up. Just to make sure everything works out. And there is a little bit of gap in between, so you're just going to have to make sure you get it lined up. Alright, we're going to take off the seals for the 3M tape. Alright, we got her all lined up and firmly pressing down. Make sure the 3M tape sticks to the trunk. All right. Alright, now we're going to be putting all the trunk interior back on. And they should just screw right in. Then you're going to put all your plastic tabs back in. And that should be your install of the GT350 ABS spoiler. Should take you no more than 30 minutes to finish.